Millennium is positioned to be able to provide emergency services to any of the plants in the United States.
Where I've seen Millennium start from 15 years ago, we were a mom and pop, 5,000 square foot warehouse. Now we are huge, and I love it.
There's no competitor out there, in my opinion, that can do the breadth of services that we can.
We're able to do all of our own manufacturing in-house. We can save customers money, save customers time. Being able to manufacture or repair any part a customer needs really sets us apart from every other competitor we have in the country.
There's no one else that can do what we can do. There's really not. I mean, we are a one-stop shop for any kind of valve service you need. We can repair the valve, we can do your safety valves, we have a field machine shop, we can do everything on site, we can reverse engineer your trim. There's nothing. If you have a problem with a valve, we can fix it.
It's just a good environment. Even working on the road, I mean, we're with each other more than we are with our families. So it's good to have a crew that you can count on.
There's other companies that say they can help you out and they're always big yes men, but Millennium, we say yes because we can do it.
We have a large presence on the East Coast, but we still are able to travel to California, Ohio, Indiana, because we can offer more than most of our competitors.
We all have more to do with less time to do it, so if we can go in and take care of something for the customer that they don't have to worry about the following year, and this is going to be a 5-year fix for them instead of an annual fix.
We've done things here in this company that none of the other companies I've ever worked in were able to do. We can manage a power plant outage from start to finish and everything in between, and our outage planning program is phenomenal.
Things happen. Things go bump in the middle of the night. We get a ton of emergency calls that will go in and take care of the customer's problems.
Everybody has the same drive to take care of the customer.
We've got a good mix of young technicians, older technicians, where that marriage between the young and aggressive and the older, more experienced, that all works out perfectly.
Our machine shop is one of the largest on the East Coast when it comes to reverse engineering.
It's pretty noisy in here. There's a lot going on.
We all help out each other. Everybody has a niche in their expertise. You start your day on a mill and end up on a lathe and end up in the back assembling a part.
You get put in tight situations where you really need to think outside the box. And that's why it's great having these people here, because everybody will pull together, bounce ideas off each other, and come up with a good solution.
I like working at Millennium because it's a family environment. You feel like you're connected with everyone that you work with, and we all want to see each other succeed.
We've got a great group of guys, girls, just a great team overall, so it's a great experience.
We have a full office staff that is there to support us at any point in time.
We continue to grow, we continue to offer programs no one else in the country offers.
We solve their problems, they look good, the plant starts back up and makes electricity, which is everybody's goal.